Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture. Today, the topic that we will discuss is files and exceptions, mastering data interaction in Python. This presentation explores core concepts for data persistence and robust application development. These skills are essential for 90% of data-driven applications. Python's built-in capabilities simplify complex operations significantly. While files and exceptions are crucial, one reason is data persistence. Store and retrieve data beyond script execution. This enables stateful applications for long-term operations. Examples include configuration files, user data logs, and large datasets. Robust error handling. Prevent crashes, and provide graceful recovery. Unhandled errors cause 70% of software bugs. This ensures application stability and a better user experience. Basic file operations, reading and writing text files. The open function establishes connection to a file. File object is equal to open. The file name, the mode have to be given. Modes include read, write, append, create. Read and write primary methods are for content manipulation. Use content is equal to file object dot read for reading. Use file object dot write for writing new line, also to be enclosed in the right parenthesis. The close function releases file resources. This is crucial for preventing corruption, data corruption. Always remember to call file object.close. Advanced file reading techniques. Efficient line reading. Read line reads one line at a time. It is useful for processing large files memory efficiently. Read lines reads all lines into a list. Pythonic iteration, iterating over a file object is the most Pythonic way for line in file object. Print line dot strip. This is the syntax. This is efficient for very large files processing one line at a time. The write line method writes a list of strings to a file. New lines are not added automatically. Example lines is equal to line, new line 2, new line, followed by file object dot write lines within parenthesis lines. Format operator f strings. Create structured readable output. This is preferred for clarity and performance in Python 3.6 version. Example file hyphen object dot write file name, data name. Robustness, exceptions and the with statement. Automatic resource handling. The with open as if context manager guarantees file closure. This reduces file corruption risk by 80%. Guaranteed cleanup. The finally block executes always. It ensures crucial cleanup operations. This block runs regardless of exceptions. The try except block catches runtime errors. It prevents program crashes. Example file not file found error. Dynamic input command line arguments. The sys module provides access to system specific parameters. You must import sys. Sys dot argument b list stores command line arguments. Sys dot argv 0 is a script name. Sys dot argv1 colon contains actual arguments. Use cases specify input output files python script dot py data dot csv pass configuration parameters hyphen hyphen verbose enable script with flexibility without code modification. Conclusion. Best practices for file and exception handling. Use with statements. Always use for file operations to ensure automatic closing. Implement try except for robust error handling like file not found error. Validate arguments. Check length system argument variable for command line arguments. Explore path library for object oriented path manipulation. Thus, we come to the end of the session. Thank you all.